ALPA is a national-level key little giant enterprise that uses specialized and sophisticated technologies to produce novel and unique products, with a strong focus on integrated solutions for powder processing. The company is dedicated to the industrial research and application of particle technology, covering ultra-fine grinding, classification, particle shaping, coating, conveying, packaging, and other related processes. ALPA's product portfolio includes powder processing equipment and integrated solutions across multiple processes and production stages, including jet milling, mechanical grinding, air classification, particle shaping and spherulization, surface coating and modification, drying and deagglomeration, packaging and conveying systems, and industrial automation control systems. Its solutions are widely used in new energy, chemicals, pharmaceuticals, food, advanced materials, non-metallic minerals, metallurgy, solid waste treatment, and other industries, with a market presence in more than 50 countries and regions worldwide.